Hello guys, welcome back. First video in Italy, finally here. And I haven't forged for 4 months. Don't know how I've got through that. Now we're just walking up to the place where the building, I don't know yet if it's temporary or permanent, but a workshop for now. Definitely much better than the 1 meter by 1 meter gazebo I had in Italy. In England, I mean, we're in Italy now. But here's the structure. You can see I've already set up a small workbench here that my granddad had ready for me. Much bigger than the one I had. And I'm sorting out some stuff, and I have done. I've mounted the vise already, so I've already done a bit of cutting and stuff with the anvil around it. Managed to bring all my lovely steel. Quite lucky that my parents didn't just say bring it to the tip, but look at that. We're going to make some axes soon, I think. The shelter, because it just felt just too much work. In this video, trust me, don't skip, because there is going to be some forging after about 5 or 6 videos of not being any forging. Finish putting the roof in tomorrow morning. It's only been like 2 days that we've been working on this. But yeah, I'm going to finish building the coal forge and mounting everything here on the workbench. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It is the next morning. Good morning, chickens. So yesterday morning I spent some time tidying up all the stuff over there. Still some of that to do as well. But then I'm going to put the scaffolding up and get onto the roof and finish putting all the pieces of wood on. Put on this thing, which is the Tumius ultra adhesive membrane thing. The thing that goes on top of roofs. So I'll catch you guys when that's all ready and cleared away and the roof is done. So we can finish sorting out the last things, and then finally in 4 months and in Italy, light the forge for the first time. Roof is now all done, and it is looking pretty cool, I guess, compared to what I had in England. Much bigger, looks much better. Now we just got to put this thing on, the tar thing, and then those, and then we're pretty much ready to go. But I'll start sorting this out before the roof's done, because all I need was this, and then we can actually forge. Okay, so guys, finally, roof is done. It's bloody hot, but I've sorted the basic things out here. There's still some stuff that's packed, but I mean, I've got a forge. I just need to wait for somebody to lift the anvil with me, put it on there, and then I've got the anvil, got the grinders, got the vise, got lots of stuff under there. So now, my first job is going to make hammer rack for the back of here. Because I mean, we can't be keeping that mess on the floor for longer than today. I think everything is set up finally. I'm going to get rid of the scaffolding and the ladder, and then finally I can forge again. Get those hammers on a hammer rack over here. We finally have fire in the forge after 4 months. But I'm going to finish sorting this out, guys, because I mean, yeah, something went wrong there. But this is just a quick, short update video, and I promise the next video will be back to normal forging video, and we can start our, as promised, good bigger projects, I guess, the more interesting stuff like swords and stuff. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I've got still lots of work to do. But we'll see you next time. Bye bye.